If you've been curious about digital real estate, rank and rent, local lead generation, all of that, but you keep feeling stuck, you're not alone. Most people hit the same wall. You watch videos, you save posts, you hear pick a niche, pick a city, build a site, but nobody explains the first step in a way that's actually simple. So you end up in research mode. And nothing gets done, you don't build rental websites, and you don't make a dime. That's why I made the free Digital Goldmine Starter Kit. It's a quick, beginner-friendly download that gives you a clear starting point without the fluff, without the jargon, and without guessing. Here's what you'll get inside. You'll understand what digital real estate really means in plain English. You'll see the simple model behind how rank and rent works. And most importantly, you'll learn a clean way to choose a first niche plus city so you're not spinning your wheels. Because the goal isn't to learn everything today. The goal is to get clarity on what to build first, so you can actually take action this week. So here's what to do right now. Enter your best email on this page, hit the button, and on the next page, you'll be able to download the starter kit immediately. And once you've read it, you'll know exactly what your next step is, whether you're starting from scratch or trying to simplify what you've already been working on. If you're ready to stop guessing and get a clear starting point, grab the free starter kit now.